fall out. Meaning, to have a disagreement, to become unattached. For example, he fell out with his neighbor over a property dispute. One of the buttons on my skirt has fallen out. Screw up. Meaning, to make a mistake, to make something messy. For example, I screwed up the science exam by not studying enough. The kids really screwed up the living room with their toys. Hand over. Meaning, to give or transfer something. For example, she had to hand over the keys to the new owner when she sold her car. The thief was forced to hand over the stolen money to the police. Fall behind. Meaning, to experience less growth in one's career than other people in similar jobs. For example, due to her illness, she fell behind in her schoolwork and needed extra help to catch up. She doesn't want to fall behind in her job. Back out. Meaning, to decide not to go through with a plan. For example, they were supposed to attend the event together but he backed out due to a prior engagement. You need to back out of the agreement. Call off. Meaning, to cancel or abandon something. For example, they had to call off the picnic due to the lockdown. The strike was called off after the union and management reached an agreement. Splash out. Meaning, to spend money freely and unconcernedly. For example, they decided to splash out on a fancy vacation to the Thailand. During their vacation, they splashed out on gourmet meals and spa treatments. Talk over. Meaning, to discuss or consider something. For example, let's talk over the details of the project during the meeting. We should talk over our travel plans before booking any flights. Drop off. Meaning, to leave someone or something at a location. For example, I'll drop off the package at the post office on my way to work. Can you drop me off at the airport tomorrow morning? Take place. Meaning, to occur or happen. For example, the wedding will take place at the beautiful beachfront resort. Can you confirm when the meeting will take place? shop around. Meaning, to visit different stores, websites, or providers to compare prices, quality, or features of products or services before making a decision. For example, before buying a new smartphone, he decided to shop around and see if he could find a better deal. Carry on. Meaning, to continue doing something without stopping or interrupting. For example, despite the setbacks, he decided to carry on with his project. Please carry on with your presentation. We're interested in hearing more. Thanks for watching.